Good morning, everybody. It is, oh, wait. Good morning. Wait, I forgot to introduce myself. Hello, good morning. My name is Kalila or Callie, and it is day 9 of me knitting on the halibut sweater. You know, I don't even know how many skeins I've used so far, but I keep it all in this bag. So afterwards, I'll go through and just count them all up, get the meterage, and be like, oh my gosh, I used this amount. I'm thinking, should I bring this with me just in case? I'm thinking, yes, just in case. Okay. Oh my gosh, that just reminded me, I need to bring this because what if I make it to the ribbing while I'm out? Because I'm not going to be home for a lot of the day. So I'm so glad I thought about that. I'm going to bring these two, my shorties, for when I get to the sleeves, which I'm not thinking I'm getting to the sleeves today, but you never know. I like to be prepared. I already stuffed 3 skeins of yarn, extra yarn, not even the one counting that's like already on my project. Bringing this because I'll probably definitely get to the ribbing, you know. So let's put this in here in my ginormous bag. I'll show you my bag. In my giant bag. And I have my iPad and I put my needles here. I have my Kindle in there. It's huge, man, huge. So let me refresh your memory on what we have. This is what we have. You know, we always got to go to the back. This is what we have so far. Let me put it against my body. Okay. So here we are. Perfect. Perfect. I have 3 more centimeters of the body. I'll probably knit 4 so that I can have an even amount of rounds that I need to knit, which 10 more rounds. 10 more rounds to knit. And then I'll be at the ribbing. Okay? I'm so excited. Let's get to knitting. I'm gonna be in a car, so let's get to knitting in the car. Hello, I'm back home. Hold on, let me adjust this. I am back home. When I was on the road, I did 5 rounds. So I have 5 more rounds to go. And then I'll be done with the body. And then I can store it on the ribbing for the body. And yeah, let me get my tape measure. This one. Okay, let's see. Wait. Hold on. I gotta measure from the underarm area. Let's see. Oh! Wait. I gotta measure this on the bed. Come with me. Come with me because I think I'm where I need to be. Okay. So I need 20.5 centimeters. Oh, phew. I have 19 centimeters. So I need 1.5 more centimeters. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. So, whew. Don't measure against yourself. So I still need 5 more rounds. So I am on track to finishing. I got scared for a second. I was like, bro, did I do my math wrong? No, I didn't do it wrong. It's correct. So let's get it. Actually, I wasn't supposed to end that clip off because I wanted to tell you I'm going to be reading on my Kindle. I have my Kindle stand and then my Kindle, and then I'll be, you know, because I'm on stockinette, you know, so I'm going to fly. But also, I can do ribbing, 1 by 1 ribbing. Have I tried it with 2x2 ribbing? I think so. I think it's easier with 2x2 ribbing because there's a, I don't know what to say, a rhythm. There's a rhythm to it, like my Kindle stands. Anyway, there's a rhythm to it. So I'm gonna read. I'm reading this ACOTAR fanfic. It's so good. I swear Sarah J. Maas herself is writing this book. And you can't tell me otherwise. And also, there's another fanfic by the same author. If you're an ACOTAR fan, Farrah Reese, right? Farrah and Reese, they have a son that we know of, right? Okay? But in this book, they also have a daughter that they had like 15 years later. Her name is Astra. She's the mate of Eris Van Sarah. It's so good. I can't get over it. And then she has another fanfic that doesn't tie into this fanfic. It's just another standalone ACOTAR fanfic. And this time, like, Astra doesn't exist, you know? It's just literally the book series. But Reese's sister, who got killed with his mother, is alive. And she was just held captive by the King of Hybern for 500 years. Or something like that. Oh my God. 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 It's so good. She's still updating it. This fanfic with Reese and Farrah's daughter, that one came out in 2021. And then, yeah, this one with Reese's sister is still being updated. I'm just like, why are you doing this to me? Like, why are you? This is the first ACOTAR fanfic I've ever read. And it'll be the only, those are the only fanfics I will ever read with ACOTAR, because nothing else feels more canon than this. I will, oh my gosh. This is just so good. Yeah. Anyway, I said all of that just to say what I'm reading. I'm reading an ACOTAR fanfic that feels like it was written by Sarah J. Maas herself. You guys want to know the title? It's called A Court of Fire and Starlight by Lady Tess on AO3. Thank me later. Hi, it is 50 minutes later, and I finished the rest of the rounds that needed to be done. Okay, hold on, let me move my book. I finished the rest of the rounds, so now it's time for the ribbon. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it's already time. Like, I did not expect this thing to be at my waist by the time I finished the body. Like, that just didn't seem possible. But it is, and it's awesome. So now time for the ribbing. I have to do 3 inches or 8 centimeters, which I'd say is like 20 something rounds, 25 rounds, since I'll be using 3.5 millimeter needles. So let's change to those so that I can start. And it's only 4:15 p.m., which means, dude, I could potentially finish the body today like I want to, and I hope to, because I'm just hyper fixating on my knitting today, okay? Nothing else is going to distract me. And I'm reading at the same time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's gonna be great. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna keep reading. Oh, I'm almost done with this book. I'm 96% of the way through it. It's just so good. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. But yeah, let's get back to knitting. I am halfway through the ribbing. I'm on around 10 out of 20, okay? Round 20 might be just a little under 3 inches or 8 centimeters, but I don't care, okay? 20 rounds is good enough. It's basically, it's gonna basically be 8 centimeters. My battery's dying. So that's what I'll be doing. It's currently 9:39. Didn't I just update? I don't know. I don't know if I did any clips in between. So it just might be me speaking and then speaking again. Anyway, I have done this amount of ribbing. I didn't even measure it. I'm not to where I'm supposed to be. I have done 5 centimeters of ribbing. I have like 5 more rounds to go. And my lips look red. I was eating a push pop. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I have 5 centimeters of ribbing, which is 2 inches. And I'm supposed to have 3 inches. So I'll do my 5 more rounds and tomorrow. I want to go to bed, not to sleep, but to read. I finished the fanfic that I was reading. I was so good. It ended up so beautifully. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn, I want to reread it again. But the fanfic, dude, let me tell you how many pages it is. No. Let me tell you how many words it is, okay? Because, oh my god, that thing is like the equivalent of a 1,000-page book, okay? Let me see, A Court of Fire and Starlight. If you know word counts, you'll know. 397,000 words in this fanfic. And it's completed. A completed book. 397,000 words, okay? So typically the average length of a novel is like 70 to 120,000 words, okay? 98,000 leaning more toward like fiction and stuff. And let me see about fantasy. Yeah, so like a regular fantasy would be like 90,000 to 120,000. An epic fantasy would be like 180,000 to 200,000 words. This is 397,000 words. It's so good. It's so fully fleshed out. The lore, oh gosh, the backstories. This book makes me want to cry. And it's a freaking fanfic, okay? Like, stop. A fanfic has never made me feel like this before. I'm lying. A low-key fanfic that I have on my Kindle, that I downloaded these from AO3, okay? I put them on my Kindle. It's called Foreign Yeti by Evaldrin on AO3. It's a YN story. That was the first, well, that's not the first YN story I read. I was a One Direction fan. Still am, okay? One Direction on top. One Direction, Justin Bieber, you know, back in the 2010s. So I'm not a stranger to YN, but I never really liked YN. So I stayed away from it. That low-key fanfic is YN. And it didn't feel like it. I didn't even realize that the character didn't have a name because it's just told from that point of view, that YN point of view. Bro, it's just good. Anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm ranting, I'm rambling because all I want to do is read now. I found this book called Song of Death. And it's a mermaid book. And I'm excited to read it. So this is what I have. And this is what I'm going to sleep with. Okay? I'm going to finish the body tomorrow. Start on the sleeve. I'm also not doing the sleeve decreases that are in the pattern. But, you know, I've been talking a lot. You're talking a lot. Show me what you got. Stop. Swan. Please tell me someone gets it. It is 10:38. 39. It just turned 10:39. Okay. I'm going to go de-dress, get in pajamas, hop in bed with my Kindle, and read a new book. And I'll get back to knitting tomorrow. Good night.